Today I'm going to introduce you to actions and parameters. We're going to use a linear parameter and a stretch action. Now I expect you to already know how to use AutoCAD on 2D, be medium level, and I expect you to have a knowledge of block creation, and of course I need you to bring some enthusiasm. What we're going to be covering is linear parameters and stretch actions. You're going to need this reference drawing, which is going to be marked down on the bottom left of the screen. Now just open up the block and we're going to launch the linear parameter, moving from the middle left to the middle right, and we're going to have 2 grip points. We're then going to apply a stretch action. Now with blocks and parameters, it's very important that you apply both a parameter and an action. So think of the parameter as a sort of information point, like from here to here, and then the action is what you want the geometry to do. In this case, we're going to be stretching the geometry, so we're going to apply a stretch action. So first I select the parameter that we created, then I select the geometry. Now that was a bit fast, so we're going to go through it one more time more slowly. We're going to stretch this out, we're going to select the parameter. Now look, there's a red cross, and as I move my mouse left and right, you can see that it changes. It's really important that you put this cross on the right side of the geometry. Then we're going to select where we want everything to be stretched, and then select the geometry that we want to stretch. Think of it exactly like the stretch command. Press enter. And then if we exit the block and have a look, we'll see that we can move the geometry with the grip points. If you don't see the grip points, just check my troubleshooting guide, which is included as part of this course. If you like what I do, please subscribe to my Patreon. In addition to the lessons that are available online for free, I also have a number of in-depth practice exercise, written instructions, and starter files and example files that are available to download. Please check the description. You're supporting not just me, but learners all over the world from a diverse set of backgrounds, different levels of education, and different starting points. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.